How to fix Snapchat slowdown you have pressed your limit. So encountering a message like Snapchat slowdown, you have reached your limit typically indicates that you have hit a limit imposed by Snapchat, such as the number of friends you can add within a certain period. So in order to fix this kind of issue, you need to make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video you'll learn how to do it. Now without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to simply hop into the Snapchat application and then log into your account. Once you have done that, select the Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Now on the section, you need to select the gear icon at the top right to access the settings page. Now on the settings page, you need to simply search for the option of clear cache, which is under account actions. When you open it, you need to select the continue, so all of your cache will be clear. Your memory's backup won't be deleted, so you don't need to worry about it. So once you have successfully cleared the cache on your Snapchat, you can get back from the space and you can select the friends option or my friends option, and from this page you can easily select the unnecessary friends and delete some of them from this page. You can simply tap and hold it and then select manage friendship option and then select remove friend button, and then if you are confirmed, select the remove button again. By doing so also you can free some of the space for the friends limit on Snapchat and fix this kinds of issues. Once you have done that, get back from this applications and then tap and hold this Snapchat application. Here you can select the trash button or the uninstall button and then uninstall the app and then again reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store depending upon your device. Once you do that, you can easily fix this kind of issues of add friends limit on Snapchat.
So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.